Hey guys, Tony here. So I was getting a lot of questions on how I was finding brand new um like like brand new micro, not necessarily micro crypto, micro caps. I don't really care if they're micro caps. I'm more interested in how popular they are, right? So if you're on TradingView, again, right, you can just be on your main TradingView page right here on home. You're gonna go ahead and click on charts. On the bottom left where you see the KDA USDT, you're gonna click on that. That's gonna be where you select your tickers. You're gonna click this filter, the little line with the two dots right there. Click on sources, and then you're gonna go all the way down to cryptocurrency, and you're gonna select KuCoin, right? That's my main exchange for trading micro caps, or at least finding brand new crypto that are listed, because generally they tend to be listed first on KuCoin, and then they get transferred out to like Binance, Coinbase, everything, all that stuff. Um, and then I just kind of go down the roster to see what the most popular tickers are. So as of right now, I am holding the in the top three, I'm holding Shiba and Blocktopia, and the top three tickers that are currently the most popular on KuCoin. VRA, I actually I saw, I think yesterday. I actually saw VRA yesterday. Yesterday it was trading at, yeah, I mean yesterday, I mean it's been around this level, right? But I mean since yesterday, today it's kind of gone up a little bit. But again, it's been like super popular for a while now. But again, this is kind of the way that I find like new tickers, right? So I know Moon River is basically Moon from its inception in August 23rd. Usually, though, what I like to do is I like to see, what the new tokens are, what the new crypto are. I go all the way down to the bottom. I like to see which ones haven't really made too much progress from their inception. So here we can obviously see that it dropped from 340 all the way to 16. That's definitely not a coin that I would be interested, right? So we'll go to the next one up. We'll go to BNB. Obviously, Binance hasn't really been, BNB, the Binance Chain Native token. This one hasn't been trading. It's not new, right? Let's go to Open Ocean, right? That's a brand. See, it actually just traded. Actually, just started trading July, and it hasn't really done much ever since July. Like it opened up at 9 cents, went all the way up to peaks of like $4, and then you had a massive spike, and then you just kind of came back down. But as of right now, from the open on KuCoin, you've only really seen what, like a 5x gain, a 500% gain. It's trading at 70 cents. So in a case like this, I would go to KuCoin, I would look at Open Ocean, I would do my research, I would see what the market cap is, what the general trend is. So right now on the daily, it does look like it's just kind of trailing sideways. It hasn't really done much. I would definitely buy, let's say, like $500 of this and see what happens, right? That's kind of it. That's kind of how this sort of works. It's still pretty new coin. For whatever reason, it's starting to trend on TradingView for people doing TA on it. So I can only assume that it's starting to get traction somewhere. And then I would just completely, do the same thing. So Wilder World, this one, it's the first time I'm seeing this one. Again, it just started trading, back in August 30th. It opened up at, what did it open at? It opened at $1.80. So it hasn't really been trading all that much higher, right? It's really only maybe this would be like 70 cents. It's really only trading like 70 cents above the actual value where it opened at. So I would probably look into Wilder. What else is new? I mean, we can go to EOS Force. EOS Force, roughly trading sideways. It spiked from 2 microcents all the way up to here, and then it's starting to get traction again. The weekly actually just closed bullish last week, so it might actually start getting traction. In a case like this, I would more than likely come in and possibly maybe do like a potential buy, because it spiked up to 3 cents or 4 cents, and it's currently down at like 2 cents. So I would maybe throw like $5 in here. Not $5, but like a couple of $100, right? So again, this is how I find new tickers or new crypto that I would be interested in, right? The only ones that I found recently or from a couple of weeks in the past is just Blocktopia and Lossless. And Lossless I will be holding for a long time. Blocktopia is more of a speculation. See, we can see Lossless still right there. But again, that's really how I end up just kind of finding all of these crypto that are not really micro cap, but are just starting to get a lot of traction. And then I just kind of follow up on everything here. So for example, this one, Credo, that's my daughter. For example, this one, Credo, ran from 50 cents to 365. So, I'm expecting this to, I don't want to say that it's going to keep rallying because, it hasn't really been trading all that much. But there's an obvious trend, right? So maybe I would probably pick some up like right here in this area if it drops to like $3. But again, that's really the main the main way that I find brand new crypto, at least on KuCoin, that I'm interested in is if they're actually being if they're actually getting TA done for them, and then where they are in rank right here. Because if I see ZEC token at the very last position today, and then tomorrow it's like here somewhere in the middle, then I know, you know what, something's happening with ZEC. I got to start looking into it and possibly throw something in there, do some research, and then see if there's a lot of traction coming in or see if there's a lot of people talking about it. So that's kind of basically it. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. I hope this video helps you guys out. Bye-bye.